Good morning, my name is Daniel Mora. This is my speaking activity of English 2. Stage 1, tips to go to Boyacá. My last vacation I went to Boyacá. I stayed there 10 days. I went with my wife, my son, my mother-in-law, and my sister-in-law. I drove all the road. I liked because was cheap. I just paid 2 million Colombian pesos for hotel, food, and fuel for the time that I stayed there. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to Tunja, Nopsa, Pantano de Vargas, Tota, Uitama, Isa, Villa de Leyva, and Chiquinquirá, and I liked it a lot. If you want to go to Boyacá, you should follow these tips. Stage 2. The water in Boyacá. The water in Boyacá is very cool and rainy. The coolest place that visit was the Total Lake. All the towns I had visited in Boyacá are cool. It is necessary that the tourists wear sweater and coats, also umbrella because rain a lot. The recommendation for trip to Boyacá. The first, it is recommended to wear sweater, scarf, gloves, and coat. 2. It is necessary to have a map of the department Boyacá. 3. It is a good idea eat the typical food of each town that you visit, especially is a dessert. 4. It is important to visit the different churches of each town. All of them have beautiful architecture. 5. Drive by Boyacá is funny. I recommend do I with your own car for visiting many towns. 6. It is necessary to carry the appropriate elements if you want to do any weather sport on Total Lakes. 7. It is a good idea to visit the Pantano de Vargas Museum for learning about our country history. 8. If you want to buy handicrafts, it is better that you do it in Ráquira or Nopsa. In the displays you can find many things and wood or cheap wood. Stage 3. What you should do. The place of my last vacation was Boyacá. For going there, you should take the following recommendation. 1. You should use a sweater and coats because the weather is really cool. You should carry a lot of money since you can buy beautiful handicrafts. You should visit Villa de Leyva. It's a colonial town stopped in the time. There is a houses made in wood and Iris Street made in stone. What you shouldn't do. A Boyacá department shouldn't travel without a map because the town are really near and have very many roads that seems like a maze. Thank you.